Uh, did you know that WhatsApp is the world's most popular messaging app, with over 2 billion users in more than 180 countries? Every day, billions of messages are sent through WhatsApp. But what if you could unlock the power of AI right inside your chats? In this video, we're diving into the secrets of using AI within WhatsApp. From smart chatbots to automation tricks, we'll show you how to supercharge your conversations with AI tools like ChatGPT and Meta AI. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be mastering AI like a pro, directly in WhatsApp. Let's get started. The powerful ChatGPT chatbot is not only available in the web browser, you can also chat with the AI tool on WhatsApp via your smartphone. This allows you to quickly retrieve important information in the messenger without installing an additional app. Using WhatsApp is a useful way to bring the vast AI knowledge to your smartphone. You can access the chatbot over whatsappy.com. Alternatively, you can add the ChatGPT number +1 800-242-8478 to your contact list and send a message. Make sure to select the US country code. Next, open WhatsApp and send a message to the saved number. Start with a simple hi or hello to activate the conversation. Upon first contact, ChatGPT will inform you about service usage, data protection, and possible misinformation. You can start interacting with ChatGPT once the chat is active. Enter any question or message in the text field, and the artificial intelligence will respond. You can send a simple text message to the number and receive a response similar to what you would get from the regular ChatGPT in the browser or the OpenAI app. There are no additional costs. Only an internet connection is required, just like in regular WhatsApp chats. Not only can you send text queries, but you can also upload photos in WhatsApp. The artificial intelligence can then analyze the content of the images. If you don't want to type, you can also send voice messages to the ChatGPT chat. ChatGPT will process the voice input and provide a text-based response. If you have a paid ChatGPT Plus or Pro account, you can link it with the WhatsApp version. To do this, simply give the chatbot the appropriate command within the messenger. Whether it's questions, writing requests, or brainstorming ideas, just type your query and ChatGPT will respond instantly. Now you can chat with the chatbot. Feel free to experiment and see what works best for you. This service is an excellent on-the-go assistant for quick information about anything. You have interacted with ChatGPT. Now let's go to the next AI chat, and that is Meta AI. Meta AI is also on WhatsApp. This chatbot developed by Meta, formerly Facebook, to enhance user experience by providing information, answering questions, and generating content. It integrates AI-powered assistants directly into WhatsApp, enabling users to interact with the AI through text, voice, or images. The key features include information retrieval, to ask questions, and get responses based on Bing and Google search results. Image generation is available to create AI-generated images from prompt descriptions. There is also interactive conversations where you can engage in conversations with the chatbot AI for entertainment, support, and more. This integration aims to make interactions more dynamic and helpful, turning WhatsApp into a more versatile tool for various needs. As of now, Meta AI is available in 43 countries. The initial rollout included countries like the United States, Australia, Canada, Brazil, the United Kingdom. The service is also expanding to regions in the Middle East, Latin America, and Asia. Several languages are available, such as French, German, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish, with more to come. To use Meta Chatbot AI first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Then open the Meta AI and to start a chat in the chat window of Meta AI. Tap on the Meta AI icon, usually a small AI or chatbot icon, in the chat window. Type your question or request in the chat field. You can ask questions, request information, or even generate AI images. To create an AI image, type at Meta AI Imagine, followed by a description of the image you want. Meta AI will generate an image based on your description. You can now easily edit and modify an image, such as adding or removing objects. Currently, Imagine Edit is available only in English, but additional languages will be supported soon. As always, your personal messages and calls remain end-to-end encrypted, ensuring your privacy. Sounds like a fantastic tool for unleashing your creativity. Are you excited to try it out? Your feedback is crucial to us, and we would love to hear from you and see how ChatGPT and Meta AI has helped you express your creativity and ideas more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our AI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.